Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share you animation with text in Canva. I am using YouTube Video Design. First, open the Elements tab and search for a beautiful landscape. I select this one. Now, go to Text option and select Add a heading. Write Beautiful and Landscape. Actually, I made two different text boxes. And now I'm going to duplicate beautiful text box. Make sure to position this duplicate on top of the original text box. Select Beautiful Text Box and go to the Layer option. You can see two beautiful text boxes. Select one box and go to Effect and select Hollow Effect Design. Now select Original Beautiful Text Box and go to Animation tab and click on Wipe Animation. And then I'm going to leave this animation on Enter. But the direction is going to the left. Again, go to Layer option. I can select Landscape text boxes and continue same process, same as beautiful text boxes. But this time going to change the direction to right. Let's see, time to watch preview my design. Have fun and thank you for watching.